Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting your light source and drawing clean guides. This determines depth and highlights. First, draw two equal circles that meet, then add a centered V below to form the classic heart silhouette. Use a vertical centerline to keep halves symmetrical and a horizontal midline to align lobes. Once done, lightly erase overlapping interior lines so the outer contour reads clearly. Make sure to keep strokes loose. These guides will evolve into the 3D structure. Now translate the flat outline into volume by drawing a parallel inner contour about 0.5 cm in from the edge to imply thickness. Connect the lobes with smooth transitions, accentuating the ridge that runs from the top center down to the point. This ridge separates light on one side from shadow on the other. Once done, sketch subtle contour lines along the surface to show roundness and perspective. Make sure to vary line weight. Heavier lines where the form turns away from the light. Finish by blocking in 3 tonal zones: core shadow on the recess side, midtones across the belly, and a bright specular highlight where the light hits the ridge. Blend transitions smoothly so the surface reads round. Use a soft eraser or low-opacity brush to pull highlights. Add a soft cast shadow beneath slightly offset from the heart to anchor it to the surface. If the form still feels flat, deepen the core shadow and sharpen the highlight. Then re-emphasize curvature lines to restore depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.